Hello, this is Sharik again. In last video, we created a very simple tool called Time Now, which just tells you what time it is. So your LLM model knows what time it is at the time of the query. Now let's create a tool which searches for a document, and then it would be much more dynamic than just simply saying the time. I'll begin by defining a function. So I'll just say something like search documents, and I'll just say search term as an argument. So previously we didn't have any argument to our other tool. In this case, we are just defining our argument. You can create a doc string which explains the argument reasons, or we can just be more explicit. For example, you can say search term, look for name of the file you are looking for. And then here, of course, something about this document, use this tool when you need to find a document or file. Yeah, and that is the doc string. And now we can say if the search term equals reports, and I want to say something like it will be available in next 5 hours. In any other case, file is not available. Yeah, so that is that. And of course, I need to pass it in the list, and I will call the document. So we'll say Python main file and look for a file called reports. And now it should be able to call the tool. And now you can see it says that it will be available in next 5 hours, which is what the response is for the reports. Now, since you can't see that the reports are the message is being pulled from the tool, let's do something. So I will just loop over each of the message in response messages. And there is a good function called pretty print so that we can see what's going on. And I'll just do something here for better visualizations. Here, I'll just say that. And same here. And let's do the tool call again. I do that, okay. Look for the file called reports. And we should be able to see what happened behind the scenes. So you can see that the human message is look for the report, and then this is the calling of the function, and this was this is the calling of the tool, and this is the name of the tool and the output which we received from the tool. Now that is the visibility behind the scene, like what's going on, and this is your final message which you received as the output. As you can see, that this allows you to kind of sneak peek into what are the tools which are called, what other search terms were used. Like for in this case, what argument values were. So in this case, it's search term, and it provided reports as the value for the argument. And you can add as many arguments as you like, and you can persist this into history with the role tool. There are more information available on the LangChain documentation about this. So yes, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment. Thank you.